Hey everybody, TechSmith here to make a quick video to show you how to edit and convert horizontal video into vertical video using just iMovie and QuickTime. Making this quick video because when I went to go do this, did a quick YouTube, Google search, and didn't find any videos showing me any help. So hopefully I can help you all save some time. I use iMovie, QuickTime. I'm not a pro video maker, but these are free tools that come with a Mac that make it very easy and fun to make these fun videos. As you can see on the screen here, I make 2K mixtapes using footage from my PS4. I bring it in here, put it over music, and they sound a lot of fun. And so what I wanted to do is just show you a couple easy quick steps with iMovie and also with QuickTime for you to convert these videos. And essentially my use for it was I wanted to put them on Instagram. And so the format just serves better, looks better in vertical, but all the footage I got from my PS4 was horizontal. So first things first, we're going to go into iMovie and we're going to use the crop tool on each of these clips. And if you look at these clips here, I've got a couple of, I'll play these for you. A couple of clips I've spliced together. I've done some movement using the Ken Burns effect to really give it a dynamic feel. But what we're going to do is try to flip these first. And so first I'm going to use the crop tool here and we're going to rotate these clips so that way we make them vertical. Now it's going to stay in the horizontal space, but by rotating them counterclockwise, we now have this video. And so, you know, the only troubling part about this process is as we go through and do this for every clip, as we're editing them now, we're going to see them in vertical space. So you might have to tilt your head to watch and see how that edit looks. But the next step we're going to do is use the crop to fill. So once we've cropped this and we flipped it counterclockwise, we want to just grab one piece of it because you see we still got this horizontal space, even though it's all black, it's not showing it. But we'll use this crop to fill and we'll find our subject in the video. And once we get that done, we'll do this for the other one too. Use the crop to fill. And in fact, I might use Ken Burns. And so what Ken Burns allows me to do is to have a start and finish point. And so in this video, since it's so dynamic, there's a lot of movement, I may want the camera angle to follow my subject. And so now, when I play these two back, you'll see the vertical footage is taking over the whole screen. Yeah, and it's starting to look like more of what I want. So probably the most tedious thing is that you have to repeat this process for every single clip in your video. And I'll do this with these couple. We'll use the Ken Burns. Oh, you know what? Gotta flip it first. Oh yeah, start. And yeah, that's good. This one too, we'll flip it. Yeah, keep the subjects in play. Flip, crop to fill. That's a good one. Me blocking LeBron James. Once we've done all of that, simply put, we'll export our video in the same way we usually do. Save it to file here in the top right corner. Now here's where the fun part comes. I'll get rid of this. I'll bring this over. Here's our edited final exported video. You'll see that everything is horizontal and it's great. It took me a long time to edit this. We've got the words, we've got the look and feel, but nobody's going to watch it like this. And in fact, if I uploaded this to Instagram right now, what it would do is just crop out this middle part still, defeating the whole purpose. And so uh, once we have it open in QuickTime, the next step we need to do is just to rotate the video to the right, actually. And so we go to Edit, Rotate Right, and now our video, and I'll make this bigger, is vertical but also standing up straight. So finally, we would save this or export it to any file type that we needed to. And this is the file that we would upload to something, say like Instagram, or a place where vertical footage is the best. So steps are here. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. And I'm sure there's other ways to do this, but this is just the method I found. And I hope it was useful. Take care, y'all.